Hello guys, welcome to my channel AM Android. Today I will be actually reviewing the i12 wireless headphones and maybe smashing them because I am so mad right now. Like nothing can save this. Like these are going to be smashed so bad. So here's the story. I unboxed these, okay, I unboxed these headphones. I just opened them up, made an unboxing, write the paperwork, blah blah blah. And then I stopped the recording and because pairing was taking a little bit of time, and when I was just pairing, only the left earbud connected. And I was like, wait, what? Why does the left earbud connect? Why wasn't the right one connecting? And I spent 40 minutes trying to fix connected this guy, tried resetting it, tried opening this guy. I don't know, I tried billion things, tried charging it for some time, for 20 minutes I guess. It doesn't matter, it just doesn't connect. I really don't know why, and I am so annoyed right now. And I stopped recording. I just hit stop recording on my camera and boom, the video was gone. The actual footage, actual unboxing was gone. And all I left was these guys now. And I really want to make a video about these. These are the worst headphones ever in my experience. And I will be destroying these guys so bad. I'm like, this is going so bad today. Like this video, I don't know, it doesn't go well. I just opened it up, made so many unboxings, said so many things, and they all gone now. I don't have that right now, so that was it. So I'm just straight gonna get into the destroying headphones part. You know what? I'm being a normal, and there we go. This is the box. It's gone now. So this is the headphones itself. Let me show you this. These look nearly identical to the i9s I just reviewed. And if you wanna go and check out i9's review, it's on the top card below. You can check them out, and it was a nice video too. At least i9s could connect to my phone, while this guy's doesn't. And I'm so sick of this. There's so many writing at the back. Please focus, camera. It says i12 Bluetooth 5.0 and so. And even though these are better actually, than the i9s, because, well, these guys, oh my god, please focus. These guys have touch controls rather than the buttons, which were so hard to press, but I don't know why they do not connect. This button just opens up the case and closes the case, and whenever I connect, only the left earbud connects, and it doesn't give a great impression. I tried for 40 minutes resetting them so many things, and I couldn't connect, and my video is now deleted. I'm gonna destroy and smash these guys. I really don't care about these anymore. So before we actually get in, I want to try a water test to these guys. I want to see how durable these guys are at underwater conditions, right? So let's go ahead and do some water tests and then smash them. Alright, so here I am. Let's do some water tests. The sound can make some echo. I'm so sorry for that. Okay, so here are the headphones. As you can see, there's the button and the light. Where's the light? It doesn't turn on now. That's it? You don't turn on anymore? Okay, these guys do not turn on. I don't know why. Okay, oh, okay, this one turns on. Let's see what happens when we put it in the box. Okay, these are completely bad. I would not recommend this. So here's some water. So maybe you you dropped them on the water. Alright, so after a little bit of water, they seem to be... No way. No, okay, it's surely not. Okay, so let's get back to the place and start smashing them because these are giving me headache. Alright, so before we get into smashing these completely with the hammer, I just want to see how durable this guy is. Like, does this peel off? Does this a plastic bag or it's a metal? Of course it was plastic. Like, there's no metal. This is a metal looking plastic piece. Yep. Can we scratch it? What happens if we put it on the lightning port? Okay, that's good. Okay, loud lightning port looks good. Okay, there's still so much water in these. Actually, let's just put these out. Okay. What about the hinge though? So you put this like this. Maybe you wanna like close it, but then you bent them. Oh. Okay, they can. I guess they can. Yeah. This is not like i9's cheap ass hinge. This is. This is going a little bit more backwards. So I think you will notice it like that. Oh, you say like, oh, this is wrong. Oh yeah, okay. So this is a little bit more durable hinge than the i9s. Oh my god, there's still water coming out of this. But you know, you can always break it if you want to. So now let's see. It doesn't turn on. What about these guys? Do these turn on? Okay, this guy still has some lights. So, oh, am I smashing it with just the, okay, can we pull this guy out? I really don't know. I really would love to though. I guess, yeah, I think we got it this time. This seems way worse actually than the i9s. I don't know why. But like, these seem lower quality and I paid more for these guys. Alright, so continuing on, here's the case. Oh, it just popped up. That's cool. Oh, okay, so here is the battery. Oh, it just is so many water. How can I put the battery out without blowing it? Okay. Okay, there's the battery. The battery is gone. You're safe now. Okay, cool. This is the board. Okay, let's have a look at it. So this is the board. It's, let's see. It's just a normal board. So this is the button that just put this guy on and off. Yeah, that was just a button. And like nothing else. There are some just screws holding this motherboard to the casing. Yeah, okay, this is gone. So this is the case itself. That's where I destroyed the lightning port. Can we just like, you know... Okay, this seems way more durable. Okay. Alright, so... Okay, so this casing is gone now. Let's have a look. It just scratches so easily though. There we go. Now there's the hingy thing. Again, the same structure as the i9s, but oh yeah, this one's way more durable than the i9. Okay, let's have a look at these stupid earbuds itself. So with the i9s, it just took a little bit of slight hit to tear and then they were on, just like this guy. Okay. Let's have a look. Let's just focus here. Okay, so there's a little bit of speaker and huge ass battery here. So okay, the battery is out and here's the chip. There's the chip, the motherboard is on the stem itself. So Oh my god. Alright, so these are just complete garbage. I would recommend going for the i9s rather than 12s because it just gave me a headache. Can I even open this up like this? Okay, so here is the motherboard. Oh, I think that was the left earbuds motherboard things inside of it. This is just a waste of money, guys. Just don't buy these, guys. Again, same thing. Same slight like small speaker with this stupid battery placed here. Can I put this battery out without poking it? Okay, cool. Okay, the battery is out again. And it's the same thing. It's just stupid ass fake AirPods. Again, this was the, I guess, right AirPod. I don't know anymore. It's just so bad. Okay, so here we go. A little detailed look at the board itself. Let's see, can we focus on this? Yes, we can. Yeah, it's just a normal. I think that's where the touch. You can detect touches on the surface of the AirPods. So that was it, guys. I mean, this was worse than i9s. I was expecting these guys to be better, not having connection issues. I guess it could be just mine, but it was still like a bad headphone at the end of the day. So I would not recommend going for these. I mean, if you can save up a little more and then go for maybe some Xiaomi's or maybe another bigger Chinese manufacturer headphones. These are not great wireless headphones. So if you like this video, please give it a like, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching the video, and see you on another video.